You spent $35,000 on a Toyota, and you've been filling it with gasoline that no mechanic would ever put in their own family's car. You know what that actually costs? Not at the pump. After $1,500 for a carbon cleaning service your dealer doesn't sell you as a precaution, he sells it to you as an emergency, once the damage is already done. Mechanics talk about this quietly, not publicly, because as long as you don't know, it stays on their service menu. There are 10 gasoline brands you should never put in your Toyota. Number 2 will shock you, because it's a brand you think is premium. And number 1, that's the station you're probably stopping at right now. Here's what Toyota never explained to you in the showroom. In 2004, Toyota engineers, alongside BMW, Honda, and General Motors, created a fuel quality program called Top-Tier Detergent Gasoline. Not for marketing, because the EPA's minimum additive standard hadn't been updated since 1996, 30 years ago. Written for engines that didn't exist yet. Your Toyota runs D4S dual injection. Fuel bypasses the intake valves entirely, sprayed directly into the combustion chamber at extreme pressure. Those valves never get washed. Their only protection is the detergent level in every single gallon you burn. An independent dynamometer study, 100 hours simulating 4,000 miles of real-world driving, found that non-top-tier fuel leaves 19 times more carbon deposits on intake valves and injectors, not twice as much, not 5 times, 19. Your dealer knows that number. He quotes it when he hands you the carbon cleaning invoice. Today, that changes. Your Toyota engine gives you no warning, no check engine light, no sound, no moment where you know something is going wrong. The D4S direct injection system in your RAV4, your Camry, your Tacoma, it sprays fuel at extreme pressure straight into the combustion chamber. The intake valves stay dry. They never see fuel. They never get cleaned. Their only protection is the detergent package in what you burn. Run the wrong fuel? Combustion byproducts, oil vapors, and blow-by gases bake onto those valves like tar. Invisible. Silent. Fill up after fill up. You know what happens when you ignore that for 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 miles? You're sitting across from a service advisor. He slides an estimate across the counter. Walnut blasting carbon cleaning service, $800 to $1,500. Valve damage in severe cases, several $1,000s in repairs. Not bad luck, not a fluke. The predictable result of the wrong fuel in a direct injection engine. Here's the part that should genuinely make you angry. The EPA's minimum detergent standard for gasoline was set in 1996, 30 years ago. It has never been updated. It was written for engines that predate direct injection, predate your turbocharged Highlander, predate everything Toyota builds today. That standard is still the legal floor every unbranded, non-certified station sells you and calls it fuel. Toyota knew. That's why they co-wrote the top-tier standard in 2004, because they already knew the EPA minimum was obsolete for the engines they were engineering. Your dealer knows this too. He just doesn't tell you, because carbon cleaning has a margin, and your ignorance is what fills his service calendar. Here's what you know after this video that 95% of Toyota owners don't. Mechanics call it the silent trap. Brands that look like trusted fuel suppliers, but feed your engine the legal minimum and nothing more. Today, I'm showing you 10 of them, and I'm saving the worst for number 1. Number 10, Kroger Fuel Centers. Kroger sells you fueling as a bonus. Grocery points redeemed at the pump. Sounds smart. For your Toyota, it isn't. Kroger sources gasoline from rotating suppliers, region to region, week to week. Whether top-tier detergents are in the tank on any given Tuesday? No guarantee, no standard, no certification. You know what those loyalty points are really worth when you run them against a carbon cleaning bill? 45 cents saved, $1,500 spent. Number 9, Safeway gas stations. Same model, different sign. Safeway runs fuel stations as traffic drivers for their grocery stores. Gas is a loss leader. It gets you into the parking lot. Additives are the first line item cut when margins tighten, not top-tier certified. Their fuel meets the federal minimum, and nothing beyond it. For a standard port injection engine, tolerable. For any Toyota running D4S direct injection, a calculated risk you take with every single fill-up. Grocery chains sell food, not engine protection. Number 8, Sam's Club. This one stings because the answer's right next door. Sam's Club offers some of the lowest fuel prices in the country. The lines at their pumps prove it, but Sam's Club is not top-tier certified. Costco is. Both warehouse clubs, both member pricing, both probably within the same radius of your house. Only one of them guarantees the detergent concentration Toyota's engineers specified for your engine. 15 cents per gallon cheaper at Sam's Club. Same membership model, with the one difference that costs you every time your D4S injectors go unprotected. Number 7, Racetrack/Racetrack. Racetrack runs over 800 stations, concentrated across the southeastern United States. And that's exactly where this gets dangerous. High ambient temperatures, stop-and-go city traffic, turbocharged engines in the RAV4 and Highlander already running under load. These are the conditions where carbon accumulation accelerates fastest. Stack minimum additive fuel on top of southern heat and turbo pressure, and you are not doing your Toyota any favors at every fill-up. See a racetrack at the exit? Keep driving. Number 6, Cumberland Farms. Cumberland Farms, known as Cumbies across New England, operates around 575 stations on the East Coast. Their Smart Pay cash discount pulls people in at the pump. Competitive fuel pricing almost always means minimum additive packages, not top-tier certified. For a standard commuter car without direct injection, adequate. For any Toyota with D4S, no pump discount justifies what you're leaving on the table inside that engine. Number 5, Circle K. Now it gets interesting. Circle K is everywhere. Over 6,000 locations across the United States, probably 2 miles from where you're sitting right now. And here's what most people don't know. Circle K was top-tier certified. They voluntarily left the program. Not an accident, not an oversight. A deliberate corporate decision to stop guaranteeing the higher detergent levels that manufacturers like Toyota explicitly require for their engines. Whether they left to cut costs or change their additive formulation, the outcome is identical. You have zero assurance the fuel at Circle K meets the standard your Toyota was built around. A brand that once knew the standard and chose to walk away from it. That tells you everything about where fuel quality ranks on their priority list. Number 4, Speedway. Speedway was once one of the largest gas station chains in America, over 3,000 locations, a fixture at highway exits across the country. In 2021, 7-Eleven acquired Speedway. The acquisition did not upgrade the fuel. Speedway is not top-tier certified and never became certified under 7-Eleven ownership. Most locations source from regional distributors with no top-tier guarantee across the network. You know what the irony is? At thousands of intersections, a Speedway station sits directly across from a Shell or a Chevron, both fully top-tier certified. You are one traffic light away from better fuel for your Toyota. Number 3, 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven is the largest convenience store chain in the world. They have never been top-tier certified, not once. The fuel at 7-Eleven meets the EPA minimum from 1996, written 30 years ago, for engines that didn't include the turbocharged RAV4, the twin-turbo Tundra, the Highlander Hybrid, the D4S system in your Camry. Toyota helped create top-tier in the first place because they already knew the EPA standard was obsolete for the engines they were engineering in 2004. A 7-Eleven on every corner is convenient. It is not an acceptable trade-off for Japanese precision engineering running on a standard written before it existed. Number 2, BP. This is the one that genuinely shocks Toyota owners every time. BP is one of the most recognized fuel brands on the planet. Polished stations, massive marketing budgets promoting their invigorate additive technology. The branding communicates premium. The pricing reflects it. BP is no longer a top-tier certified brand. They left the program between 2021 and 2022. BP claims their fuel still meets or exceeds top-tier standards through their proprietary Invigorate additive package. But without independent third-party verification, that is exactly what it is: a claim. You're taking BP's word for it. For a brand charging premium prices at the pump, walking away from the only independent verification that backs those claims is not a confidence signal. It is a red flag. Their AMO subsidiary carries the same status, also not certified. You pay premium, you get zero guarantee. Number 1. Unbranded and independent gas stations. This is the single greatest threat to your Toyota engine, and it looks like any other sign at any other exit. Independent stations with no brand affiliation buy fuel from whoever offers the cheapest terminal price that week. And here's the thing: the base gasoline is actually fine. It comes from the same refineries that supply Shell, Chevron, and Exxon. The additive package is where it falls apart. Independent operators have no brand standard to protect, no corporate quality control, no additive formulation requirements beyond the 1996 EPA minimum. Some documented operators have been found adding less than even that minimum required concentration. Is the fuel fine this week? Or is it the cheapest additive formula the operator could source on Tuesday? You have absolutely no way to know. And that level of uncertainty is not something you want flowing through the high-pressure injectors of your Camry or the turbochargers of your Tundra. One more thing. At any station, certified or not, if you pull in and see a tanker truck actively pumping fuel into the underground storage tanks, don't fill up. That delivery stirs up sediment and water settled at the tank bottom. It goes straight into your car. Come back tomorrow. Those are the 10 gasoline brands Toyota engineers would never run in their own vehicles: Kroger, Safeway, Sam's Club, Racetrack, Cumberland Farms, Circle K, a brand that knew the standard and chose to abandon it, Speedway, 7-Eleven, BP, premium branding, zero independent verification, and unbranded independent stations, where you have no idea what's in the tank from one week to the next. Mechanics call it the silent trap. No warning light, no immediate receipt, just mile after mile of invisible buildup until the invoice arrives. You now know what 95% of Toyota owners don't, and what your dealer had zero financial incentive to tell you. Not because he doesn't know, because carbon cleaning is on his service menu, and your ignorance is what books the appointment. The next time you pull into a station and there's no top-tier logo at the pump, you'll know exactly what that decision costs down the road, and you'll keep driving. That's the difference between a Toyota driver and a Toyota owner who protects their investment. If this video helped, like it, share it with every Toyota owner you know, and subscribe before you go. Now you know which 10 brands to avoid. But do you know which 5 fuels mechanics actively recommend for Toyota engines? And which one contains 7 times more cleaning additives than the EPA minimum, independently verified? That video is right here. Drive safe, feed your Toyota right, and it will never let you down.